The development of sunscreen involves contributions from various individuals and spans several centuries. While the concept of sun protection dates back to ancient civilizations, the specific invention of sunscreen, as we know it today, involved the efforts of multiple inventors over time. Here are some key milestones in the history of sunscreen. Ancient civilizations. People in ancient civilizations, such as ancient Egypt, Greece, and Rome, used various substances like olive oil, rice bran, and plant extracts to protect their skin from the sun. These early forms of sunscreens provided some level of sun protection but were not as advanced as modern-day formulations. Benjamin Green. In 1944, an American pharmacist named Benjamin Green developed a product called Red Vet Pet to protect soldiers during World War II. This product had a red jelly-like consistency and offered sunburn protection. Franz Gruyter. In 1938, Swiss chemist Franz Gruyter developed the first effective sunscreen, known as Glacier Cream. He formulated it to protect his own skin during a mountaineering expedition. Gruyter later founded the Piz Buin Company, which went on to become a well-known sunscreen brand. Eugene Schuler. In the early 1930s, French chemist Eugene Schuler, the founder of L'Oréal, introduced a sunburn oil that could be applied to the skin. This product represented an early step towards modern sunscreen formulations. Franz and Johann Zapp. In 1946, Austrian brothers Franz and Johann Zapp invented the first commercially available sunscreen. Their creation, called Glacier Cream, featured a more effective sun protection factor, SPF, and became a commercial success. Modern advances. Throughout the 20th century and beyond, advancements in scientific research and technology led to the development of more sophisticated sunscreens. These formulations incorporated various UV filters and became widely available to the public. It's important to note that sunscreen technology has continued to evolve over the years, with numerous researchers, scientists, and companies contributing to its development. The inventors mentioned above played significant roles in advancing sun protection, but the invention of sunscreen was a collective effort over time rather than the work of a single individual.